100 days of coding challenge. Sounds cool, isn't it? I recommend every developer to try 100 days of coding challenge in their early stage of learning. But why?
You will gain 3C if you take 100 days of coding challenge. First C is coding. Obviously, in 100 days, you will learn so much code. Second C is consistency. When you continuously program for 100 days, you will definitely build up habits and increase consistency. Third C is confident. After coding continuously for 100 days, you will be more confident for a more complex project. If you want to take this challenge, you can follow instruction of 100daysofcode.com or you can go with your own flow.